Welcome to 100 Atlantic Avenue, Penthouse 2. Let's see what we got going on in here today. This is an amazing place. Wow, here we are right inside the front door. Walk in. Got a patio area over the side. The kitchen's over here. Walls of glass right here, looking out at the Queen Mary, the International Tower. Over here on the right, we have a beautiful dining room. Tremendous place to have a meal, spend some time. And then we see what's going on out here. We've got a great big patio area over here. Step out there and see what that looks like today. There it is, Pacific Ocean, Queen Mary. Just pan over here, you can see the city. What's going on there? Never get tired of this view. So you can see all the way to Newport Beach, beyond. We're 12 stories up above the hip and happening East Village Arts District, downtown Long Beach. Just repainted the building. This is like a Palm Springs mid-century modern home that's been dropped on the roof of a building. Never really seen anything like it anywhere. So there's the master suite right there. We'll get back to that in a bit. Let's head back into the, well, here's the office. Head back into the living room, dining room area. Just a great open floor plan here. Great indoor-outdoor flow. Out here we have the kitchen. We'll hit the other deck last. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Head down the hall. We've got a full bath here. It's a wonderful second bedroom. Great place for an office. And here we go into the master suite. It's a very large master suite. Bright, sunny, breezy, incredible views. So this is a lot of the original details intact from when this was built in the 50s. So we've got a kind of a dual bathroom vanity thing going on here. So there's one dressing area, bathroom, there's the shower. So here we have that. That's me. And let's see, let's go back down the hallway and head to the lanai area and the other patio. Kitchen's been updated recently. We have an outdoor living room area. Another large deck. And what we got going on here. And then this view is pretty amazing too. From this end, you can see all the way to downtown Los Angeles, all the way down to Newport Beach. There's a pyramid over there. There's a Cal State Long Beach. Unbelievable views here. The other side, you can see the Hollywood sign and observatory and some other things like that. So, this is 100 Atlantic Avenue, Penthouse 2. East Village Arts District, Long Beach, California. For more information, call me, Patrick Crane, 310-709-4128.